You can imagine that if planes were not reusable, very few people would fly. 747 is about $300 million. You'd need 2 of them for a round trip. And yet I don't think anyone here has paid $500 million to fly.
It'd be like getting in your, going to the airport, getting in a 747, flying across the country, and then the airline throws the 747 away. You could imagine how expensive your tickets would be.
He pointed out it will dramatically reduce the cost of space exploration, some estimate by 100-fold.
About a 100-fold reduction in launch costs.
Well, what we've done is we've demonstrated that it's possible.
Now, Elon Musk this morning tweeted congratulations to you and your team for landing this rocket. Now, SpaceX has tried several times to land a rocket booster and has failed. Now, granted, they are different rockets, but he was also very quick to point out the difference between space and orbit, suggesting that perhaps what Blue Origin pulled off is somewhat easier. Is he right about that?
No, he's not. What SpaceX is trying to do is actually very similar.
Bruh. Bruh.
Finally, you're obviously a very competitive person. You're competing with the likes of Jeff Bezos in...
Jeff who?